So now let's take a peep into the crypto market. Laddie Williams is itching to give us updates. Laddie, how was your Christmas?
Well,
Did you do what Juliana? Did you go to the
Christmas.
islands like Juliana?
Well, I was right here, Annie, for your information. Anyway, the market is not looking bad. Still searching for direction, but there's still fear in the market. Good thing is it's not extreme fear like we've had, a couple of days ago. Now, market cap about $2.40 trillion. It's up 2.41%. Volume is a little down this morning there. You see it's $72.21 billion in the total crypto market. Bitcoin dominance 40.17%. Price of Bitcoin, it's maintained above the 50K level this morning. It's $50,900 at 8 a.m. It's up 2.14%. 24-hour volume traded in Bitcoin, $20.30 billion. So it's not looking bad, but the bulls are still trying to maintain keeping Bitcoin above this 50K price there. Let's bring in Olumide Additional now, financial market analyst. Good morning, Olumide. Compliments of the season.
Yeah, same to you, Laddie. Good morning.
Good morning. So, it's been not a bad year for cryptocurrency. We've seen Bitcoin get to about $68,000, Ethereum $4,800. But I'd like to get, from your eyes, how's the market performed?
Yeah, from your analysis, the same narrative on my end, because you need to understand that despite the fact that we are in seasons, in the season of staying at home, the crypto market is busy up, and that's because of the centralized nature. We've seen the market that has been less than 13 years old already having market value of more than $2 trillion. Already, Bitcoin in 2021 is up more than 70%. If you look at the Nigerian stock market, year-to-date gain stands at just about 5%. So it fairly tells you that the narrative around the crypto world is increasing. And, there are certain things you can't take out in the year of 2021. You look at how NFTs have dominated the space. And look at, despite the fact that we had the crypto ban intensified by the Central Bank of Nigeria, Nigeria still happens to be one of the biggest markets. If you look at recent statistics from Google Trends, it shows that Nigeria is just behind El Salvador in Bitcoin interest. That gives you credence that Africa's most populous nation has a strong footprint in the crypto ecosystem. So we're expecting that momentum to build up towards the coming year, despite the fact that we're seeing that cash flows will be tightened because of the U.S. Fed might start to increase interest rates, and that will somehow limit risky assets upside. But on the narrative gain, I think we can't ignore the impact Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and other meme coins have had this year. And also Solana, I think this is the year for Solana too. This coin that was trading at about $3 early this year, already moving near to $200. That just gives you credence of how this blockchain backed assets are doing right now.
Quite an incredible run by Solana there. But, it's getting to the end of the year. Where do you see Bitcoin closing the year?
It's a very tricky question because personally, I wasn't seeing Bitcoin coming back above 50 because we're already looking at the fact that the US dollar was already gaining momentum and the momentum kept on powering on. But just like you said, the fact that we're seeing Bitcoin fighting to stay above $50,000 suggests that it's likely that Bitcoin might stay above 45 in some days' time because we barely have 6 days to the end of the year. And I think there's nothing rash happening, but we can't ignore pending regulation coming from the U.S. Also, the fact that we're seeing things around stablecoin getting tightened. So it's left to be seen if the momentum would come solid in 2022. But I think as far as 2021 is concerned, I think the crypto market investors have a lot to smile about.
Okay. All right, Olumide, thank you so much. Remains to be seen if buying pressure, comes back to this market. Thank you, Olumide.
Yeah, thanks, sir.
All right, top of the market cap that we see at BNB, it's all green with Cardano there, the biggest gainer, $1.48, up 4.51%. The next RP, 92 cents, 1.18%. So it's not a bad-looking market, but there's still fear.
Yeah, Laddie, I'm still waiting for that $100,000.
I'm waiting
for
myself.
Bitcoin.
Yeah.
I'm still waiting for it. And I mean, it's how many days to 2022? So
But some have said that it might not come this year. I'll be
obviously,
looking at next year for that
obviously.
100K.
All right, thank you so much, Ladi, for that market analysis.